I make vlogs now, but this is not going to be a regular thing. Don't expect vlogs from me because I live in a very small town. I don't travel a lot and I do not have an interesting life. But this is going to be the first one. I'll probably upload another later this year around December, November. I might, or maybe next year, very beginning of the next year. They are gonna be this kind of stupid shit only where me and my sister and the rest of my family show you all where we are traveling and what shit we are doing. So yeah, if that is something that interests you, maybe give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. For those of you who are my regular subscribers, my regular viewers, I have another news that I will not be counting right now. If you do like this kind of a video, like a vlog kind of a thing, the face mask went inside my eye and my eye burns right now. So if you do enjoy this kind of a video, do let me know in the comments and I'll let y'all know what's coming